was originally a dismissal, and the appeals council remanded it. Apparently because you had a good reason for not appearing at the hearing scheduled back on July 13th, 2010. You were also, you've moved, you were in a different region, I believe?
Yes, I filed in California.
Okay. All right. So this is for Title II and Title 16 claim. was originally a dismissal, and the appeals council remanded it. Apparently because you had a good reason for not appearing at the hearing scheduled back on July 13th, 2010. You were also, you've moved, you were in a different region, I believe?
Yes, I filed in California.
Okay. All right. So this is for Title II and Title 16 claim.
Judge Rosanna L. D'Alicio's unfavorable ruling based upon the hearing stated that in the Appeals Council's remand order that I advised that the reason I missed my hearing was because I had moved, and as a result she was directed to give me a new hearing. There is no such language in the remand order that I said anything other than that I was not receiving my mailings and therefore was not notified of the hearing that I missed, and the Appeal Council agreed, as their records showed it was the case. That is what is in the remand order, as you have seen in this video. Judge Rosanna L. D'Alicio manipulated and lied intentionally. She did not like the fact that I proved that I was not receiving my mailings. She wants those qualified applicants who apply for disability to suffer when mistakes are made against them. She decided that she was going to change the facts of the Appeal Council's ruling and switch the fault from them onto me, and attempted to do so. I waited over 2.5 years for that ruling, and she thinks she can just lie and cheat and throw 2.5 years of my life down the drain. Well, she cannot. Judge Rosanna L. D'Alicio's behavior towards me was by all legal standards fraudulent. I will be posting many more videos very shortly that will show the full extent of Judge Rosanna L. D'Alicio's behavior regarding my hearing and her unfavorable decision she rendered upon me. I will show and prove that she lied about my testifying to things that I just didn't say, that she completely ignored my diagnosed and documented medical issues and impairments. She just acted as if they weren't in evidence. She even diagnosed me herself over my treating doctor's opinions. She ignored the only medical testing SSA/SSI allows that was in evidence, proving my impairments. But most shocking is that Judge Rosanna L. D'Alicio actually went so far as to create from thin air multiple medical treatments and procedures for me that I didn't receive, and then stated that, based upon these treatments, I was fine. Let me repeat this. Judge Rosanna L. D'Alicio completely fabricated medical procedures that never occurred, and based her unfavorable ruling upon them. The medical facilities she cited that I received these treatments at don't even perform these treatments, ever. All of this you will see in the videos I will upload, and you will hear the hearing audio and see her unfavorable ruling as written, as well as all of the evidence showing how much she just flat out lies. It must be said, because it's true, and the truth needs no defense. If an American citizen is intentionally defrauded out of access to medical resources that they are entitled to and need to preserve life by such erroneous activity as this, and it's done to hundreds, even thousands, that within those numbers, those human beings, those citizens, as a result of being defrauded and denied, have and will continue to die. Where it has been said that judges who have a high approval rate give away too many resources, American citizens do not directly die as a result. But let it be known, where a judge has such low approval rates, thusly denying the much-needed resources, that many American citizens will and do die as a result, and that these deaths are intentionally forced upon them. The American government, or any branch or extension thereof, may not deprive any citizen of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. This means that the American government has to follow rules and established procedures in everything that it does. It cannot, for example, skip parts of trials, ignore evidence, or even go so far as to fabricate facts and evidence in an effort to deny any American citizen their rights as protected by the Bill of Rights and by law. The issues regarding Judge Rosanna L. D'Alicio's actions as an adjudicative law judge are most serious and must be explored, and will be. So stay tuned, because something must be done before more people suffer from such abuse. It's just plain wrong and un-American.